Cybersecurity 101, Protecting Yourself in the Digital Age. Welcome to the world of cybersecurity. This guide will equip you with the basics. Learn to protect yourself in the digital age. We will explore threats, tools, and best practices. Understanding common cyber threats. Malware includes viruses and ransomware. It can damage your system. Always use antivirus software. Phishing uses deceptive emails. It tricks you into revealing data. Be cautious of suspicious links. Social engineering manipulates trust. Attackers impersonate trusted entities. Verify requests carefully. When creating strong passwords, 1. Complexity. Use a mix of upper and lowercase. Include numbers and symbols. 2. Length. Aim for at least 12 characters. Longer passwords are harder to crack. 3. Password managers. Use a password manager to generate strong, unique passwords. They securely store your credentials. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication on important accounts. This adds a layer of security. 2. Verify logins with a second factor. This could be a code or app approval. 3. Even if your password is stolen, two-factor authentication protects your accounts. Safe browsing habits. Only visit secure websites with HTTPS. Look for the padlock icon. Avoid clicking suspicious links. And always verify the sender. Keep your browser updated. Update plugins regularly for security patches. How to secure mobile devices. Lock your screen and use a strong PIN or biometric lock. Secure your device from unauthorized access. Next is review app permissions carefully and only grant necessary access. Check for updates and keep your mobile OS and apps updated. This protects your mobile against vulnerabilities. Data backup and recovery. Backing up your data is like having a safety net for all your important files, photos, and information. Here are some detailed steps to ensure your data is secure. Back up regularly. Make it a habit to back up your data on a regular schedule. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often you update your files. Automated backup tools can help make this process seamless. Store multiple copies. Don't rely on just one backup. Keep at least 3 copies of your data: the original, a backup on an external drive or device, and another backup stored remotely. This way, if one copy fails, you still have other options. Use different locations. To protect against physical damage or theft, store your backups in different locations. This could mean using cloud storage, keeping an external hard drive at a different site, or using a combination of both. Encrypt your backups. Protect your data from unauthorized access by encrypting your backups. This ensures that even if someone gets hold of your backup, they won't be able to access the information without the encryption key. Test your recovery process. Regularly test your backups by restoring some files to ensure they work as expected. This will give you confidence that you can recover your data if needed. Keep your backup system updated. Regularly update your backup software and hardware to ensure they are functioning correctly and securely. Outdated systems may not provide the level of protection you need. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data remains safe and accessible, even in the event of hardware failure, theft, or other unforeseen circumstances. Have you ever had a data loss experience that made you realize the importance of backing up? Ensuring robust cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital world. Here's a more in-depth look at some essential security tools and practices to help you stay protected. 1. Stay informed and aware of current cyber threats. Continuous education. Regularly educate yourself and your team about the latest cyber threats, such as phishing attacks, malware, ransomware, and social engineering scams. Subscribing to cybersecurity news feeds or blogs can help keep you updated. Threat intelligence services. Utilize threat intelligence services to gain insights into potential threats and vulnerabilities. These services can provide real-time alerts and analyses of emerging cyber threats. 2. Install antivirus software and keep it updated comprehensive protection. Choose reputable antivirus software that offers comprehensive protection against various types of malware, including viruses, spyware, and ransomware. Ensure it has real-time scanning and automatic updates. Regular scans. Schedule regular scans of your system to detect and remove any malicious software that may have slipped through. Periodic scans help maintain the overall health of your devices. 3. Enable your firewall and monitor network defense. A firewall acts as a barrier between your internal network and external threats. Enable both hardware and software firewalls to protect your network from unauthorized access. Intrusion detection and prevention systems. IDPS. Implement IDPS to monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and potential threats. These systems can automatically block or respond to detected intrusions. Log analysis. Regularly review firewall logs and network traffic to identify unusual patterns or signs of potential breaches. Log analysis can provide valuable insights into your network security. Ongoing cybersecurity measures. Regular updates and patching. Keep your operating systems, applications, and security software up to date with the latest patches and updates. Outdated software can have vulnerabilities that cybercriminals exploit. Strong authentication. Implement strong authentication methods such as multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add an extra layer of security to your accounts and systems. Data encryption. Use encryption to protect sensitive data both in transit and at rest. Encrypting data ensures that even if it is intercepted, it cannot be easily read by unauthorized parties. Backup and recovery plans. Regularly back up your data and test your recovery process to ensure that you can quickly restore your systems in case of a cyber incident. Security awareness training. Conduct regular security awareness training for all employees to help them recognize and respond to potential threats. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process, and staying proactive is key to maintaining a secure environment. Have you implemented any of these measures already? Or is there a specific area you need more guidance on?